researchers have explored the mathematical reasoning capabilities of large language models, or LLMs. The GSM-8K benchmark is used to assess these models. Despite improvements, doubts persist about the reliability of reported metrics. To address this, a new benchmark, GSM Symbolic, was introduced. It uses symbolic templates to generate diverse questions. This allows for more reliable metrics in measuring reasoning capabilities. The study found that LLMs show variance in responses to similar questions. Performance declines when only numerical values are altered. The models are fragile, with performance dropping as the number of clauses in a question increases. This suggests LLMs do not perform genuine logical reasoning. Instead, they replicate reasoning steps from their training data. Adding a relevant clause can cause significant performance drops. This work offers insight into the limitations of LLM in mathematical reasoning.